Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets, the channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody is not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades. We do take into account losses. So for further details and information about how to join the challenge for as little as $9 a month, information is available in the description below. In the previous video we looked at ticker symbol MMTLP as well as looking at a new stock to the channel, ticker symbol FFIE. So please refer back to previous video for updates of both stocks. In today's video we're also going to be looking at MMTLP again in terms of some of the latest developments. We're also going to be looking at ticker symbol MULN Mullen Automotive and also an update on ticker symbol NLST Netlist and a few other stocks as well. So stay tuned for updates on all those stocks. Before we do that, I'm going to have a quick update in terms of what's happening in the markets now. So quick headline here from Yahoo Finance, and this is with regard to the jobs data. And we can see here in terms of the jobs data, this is making a mockery of recession fears, which many analysts have predicted. So what we can see here in terms of the labour market, Labour Department have reported on Friday that the non-farm payrolls rose by 372,000 in the previous month, so far exceeding the 268,000 jobs Bloomberg economists had forecast. So unemployment is staying at 3.6%, in line with the economic estimates and slightly above the February 2020 level of 3.5% before the pandemic. So overall this is fairly positive news. So going forward, is there going to be a recession? Time will tell. I'm going to start by giving a shout to Will on Twitter, and he's posted with something with regard to MMAT. So let's see what he said here. Just recently he said, number one, even with a quiet period, I've never seen George this quiet on Twitter, and not even a 4th of July tweet. So again, that's certainly true. As far as I've seen myself, I've not seen a tweet from George since June the 24th. I think he has retweeted, but not posted a tweet himself. Number two, what we can also see here, what Will has said is, never mind the MMAT file with the SEC, George's tweet until a few weeks ago. So George did make a promise in terms of more news and announcement and more information to be shared. That is still yet to be delivered. So again, we're waiting with expectations, and obviously we could see a run here, might be expecting a run with earnings and S1 being super careful. So let's now have a look at what's happening with MMTLP and the chart. So on the screen here we can see the chart for ticker symbol MMTLP for the previous 5 days. Unlike metamaterials, this is trending upwards. So over the previous 5 days, good news here, the stock is up in excess of 22%. Right now at time of editing, it's up in excess of 12.43% at $1.90. So metamaterials we know has been trading sideways between around about $1.02 and $1.08 after the bad news that we had with the offering, but there is strong expectations here for the S1 to be delivered, for news to be given. Hopefully this is positive news. So again, time will tell, and everybody is now waiting with expectation. I'm now going to do a quick update on ticker symbol MULN Mullen Automotive. This is a stock that has been featured on a number of occasions on the channel. So this is a stock that was also on our weekly watch list this week. So we're going to have a look at the chart shortly, but let's first of all have a look at some breaking news just released a few minutes ago. And we can see here from the 8th of July, the headline here is that Mullen hires Kingsdale Advisors Service ahead of the shareholders meeting in late July. So that's the key date for your diary. So there will be a shareholder meeting at the end of July. I am expecting positive news. I am expecting some announcements with regard to the plans for the company going forward. So we will certainly be watching that with interest. But let's now have a look at the chart. So on the screen here, I'm going to share with you the 5-day chart for Mullen Automotive. Good news here, over the previous 5 days, the stock is up in excess of 23%. We did call this on our weekly watch list, which we'll share with you shortly. Right now it's up in excess of 10.28% at time of editing on the Friday at $1.18. So very, very positive momentum right now. I'm now going to do a quick update on ticker symbol NLST. Netlist is a stock that has been featured on a number of occasions on the channel. Unfortunately, I've not covered it for a while, and one of the key reasons why is basically because there has not been any significant news. So we have seen the stock trend a little bit downwards since then, and unfortunately a lot of this has been also been caused by market conditions. But there is a filing here I'm going to share with you right now, and this filing is from the 7th of July 2022. So have a look at this, number 316 at the clerk's notice setting a Zoom hearing. So this is a date for your diary, and this is for a motion to stay and further case management conference, and this is set for the 14th of July 2022 in San Francisco. So this is again going to be before Judge Richard Seabook. The proceeding is going to be held by Zoom webinar. So again, hopefully we should get some positive news from this. So let's now have a look at how the stock in terms of the chart has responded from this news. So on the screen here, I'm going to share with you the chart for Netlist for the previous 5 days. Good news here is the stock over the previous 5 days at time of editing is up in excess of 27%. And right now we can see it's trading around about $4.10, and I think let me just check the live price before we have a look at what's happening, and I can see the stock has now gone up to $4.18, so it is in the green. So obviously the price here you're seeing on the screen at $4.10 has now just been increased to $4.18. So again, good momentum, positive momentum. So over the previous 5 days, it's probably now going to be up in excess of 30%. So again, we wait with expectation for positive news. I'm going to now finish off by having a look at a review of our weekly watch list, which is shared exclusively with the Discord members prior to trading. So on the screen here, you'll see a copy of our weekly watch list, which was shared on the 4th of July 2022 prior to trading on the Tuesday. In the previous week at the top, a quick review of some of the stocks we called. Ticker symbol RAIN, that was up 44% over the 5 days. BHAT was up 37% over the 5 days, and Redbox was also an opportunity there to get a 25% gain. So right now this week the stocks we have called out include QNRX, AKBA, we've called out CLVS, ACCD, FFIE, and this was a stock that was also covered in the previous video, so we've called that out again this week. And we also called out ticker symbol DVN for a long-term play. So let's now have a look at how some of these stocks did. So I'm going to start by ticker symbol FFIE. So on the screen here you'll see stock is up in excess of 115%. I am aware that people in the Discord make some tremendous profits in this, so congratulations to everybody in there. And at time of editing, this is also trading currently at $5.43. So the other stock that we called out here on the screen you'll see is ticker symbol CLVS, and that's up in excess of 57.87% on the previous 5 days, and at time of editing just trading at $2.82. The other stock that we also called out was ticker symbol AKBA. So at start of trading here you'll see a line on the left just on the from the start of the 5th of July when it was trading at just below 40 cents, and we can see there's an opportunity to get a close to a 16% gains at time of editing when it's gone in excess of just close to 45 cents. So again, a positive result on that one there. And the other one that we called out is ticker symbol RDBX, and we can see here it was trending down, and at one point this was close to the $5 mark. So from the just after the 5th of July, we can see that the price identified there close to $5, and right now opportunity to get a gain from that $5 to $6.34. So up an increase there, approximately 22%. However, over the previous 5 days, including the Friday, it is down. So and then finally, the last stock that we called out was ticker symbol QNRX. So Quoin Pharmaceuticals. So again, start of trading, this was just trading below 50 cents, so just on the 5th of July. And at time of editing, it's trading around about 54 cents. So again, good opportunity to get close to a 10% gain there. Finally, if anybody would like to join us in the Discord where we can have live trading discussions and also get access to our weekly watch list as well as take part in the challenge, you can join for as little as $9 a month. And information and details are available in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.